morning, welcome back to our channel. My wife is over there about to take care of a diaper and a clothes change for the day. We are back with another vlog today for you guys. I'm not really sure what has in store for us. We shall see. Julia says we're doing the fireplace. We've been doing this dang fireplace for like 10 days.
We're not done yet. Don't you want to be able to sit in our living room once again?
I do.
Today we can make that happen.
We'll see. I feel like I'm just like so over the whole fireplace thing at this point because I was like, oh, it'll take us a day, it'll totally be fine. It's so much more work than I thought it was going to be because one, we have to watch Harbor, like one of us has to be watching him, the other person has to be like scrubbing it off. It smells really strong and weird, so we have to have the windows open, it's cold outside. There's just a lot of factors that make it not so fun of a project. I'll show you what's going on though. Come on, let's go. Come to the living room. It's basically a construction zone right now. We bought a new Christmas tree, and I have all the Christmas decorations out, but this is what it's looking like so far. The last time you saw it, it was like maybe a quarter of the way done. I don't even remember, but we just have this bottom piece to go and then we are literally done. We're gonna work on this another time. We're not gonna worry about this wall right now because that will probably take us years, but at least the fireplace is done and it's looking so much better. We need to take like a wet rag and kind of like get all the dust off of it so that it's looking like more red and looking nice, and we need to clean up the mess that we've made. Julia has been the one to basically do all of this stuff, so shout out to my amazing wife for doing it because one, the smell really bothers me, and we also have to have someone to watch Harbor, like I said. So she's been doing like all of it herself. She was up really late last night finishing the last layer on the very bottom. I'm so excited to decorate for Christmas because we went and got Christmas decorations the other day. Let me show you my outfit malfunction today though. It's really weird. I don't know who designed this shirt, if it's supposed to look like this or what's going on. So this side is shorter than this side, and I'm not sure why because I have the buttons done up on the correct button and there's no more loopholes, but it's uneven. So like, was this intentional? Is it supposed to look funky? I'm not really sure. Also, my jeans are thrifted and I think they look so cute. I'm loving these jeans. Are you decent?
Yeah, he's just in a diaper.
Oh my goodness.
I'm a bit of a diaper boy right now.
Are you a diaper boy?
What the heck? I don't want to get dressed.
You don't want to get dressed? You want to wear a diaper all day?
Run away from me.
Oh my goodness. You are so cute in that sweater.
You can't go underneath the chair.
See you later. Bye-bye. Yeah, meh.
Can you say mommy? He said mommy this morning.
Mommy. Yeah, mama. Good job. That's me.
I see how it is.
He likes mama better. He likes me most.
Yeah,
This lighting is so bad. Mama. Dada. No. Do I look like a dada to you? What? Are you trying to chase me right now? Listen, I do not have the energy for this right now. You were up at 5 a.m. this morning. Do you know that? It is true though. He woke up probably at like 4:30. And then I went in there and tried to put him down around 5 and he would not go to sleep. I think it's the time change. We had a time change yesterday and I think he's just on his time change clock because 5 would normally be 6, and this mom is tired. I have also been up since 5 a.m. I got a little bit of sleep when I slept in a little bit, but I'm still probably running on like 5 hours of sleep. So thanks to you.
Who invented daylight savings? And where can I find them?
Because you guys that don't have kids probably got an extra hour of sleep, but us that have kids and babies did not. I need to make something to wake myself up a little bit because after getting ready, I'm so tired. So I'm gonna do that really quick. If you guys have been keeping up with our channel for a while, you know that I am not really a huge coffee drinker. This is a coffee alternative. This is Mud Water. I'm sure you guys have seen stuff about them because I saw ads for them all the time and I always wanted to try it, and I finally did. It has 4 adaptogenic mushrooms and it has Ayurvedic herbs. This is like for your mind, body, and soul. This is like a daily ritual basically. It's only 1/7 of the caffeine in coffee, and you also won't get those like jitters, you won't get anxiety. You can also make this like a latte. You can just put it in like hot water with a tablespoon of this. You can literally change it to whatever you're feeling that day. You can add creamer, you can literally do whatever. So I got the starter kit. You obviously get the tin with the product. This is 30 servings in here. It also comes with a free sample of the coconut milk creamer, so I'm going to try that today. So I'm just going to add a tablespoon to my cup really quick. This actually smells really good. Some of the ingredients that it has is masala chai, cacao, lion's mane. There's a bunch of benefits in here, like it can help your immune system, it can help your mood. Oh, whoa. I was not expecting that consistency. That's cool. This is my favorite part of my morning ritual. This is also gluten-free and vegan as well. I'm gonna top mine with a little bit of dairy-free milk. And there you have it, my mud water latte. Probably gonna chug this really quick. Hold on. If you guys want to check out Mudwater for yourself, you can click the link in the description and you will get 15% off the starter kit. You can use code Abbie. And a huge shout out to Mudwater for sponsoring today's video. Julia says she has something else to say about the fireplace.
First of all, this is very heavy and I carried it.
Didn't you say someone helped you in the store?
Well, it was just this nice lady, and I think she saw me like lifting it up, and she just wanted to be helpful. So she was like, "Oh, I'll hold your cart for you while you put it in."
That's sweet.
It was very sweet of her. But you try and lift it up. I want to see you try and lift it up.
I'm not gonna try and lift it up.
Right.
If you're interested, this is the tree we got, 7.5 foot, pre-lit.
I like it because it's like wide, and now
it's gonna go.
Wait,
here.
You watch. People are gonna be in the comments like, "Oh, your tree's so fat. That's such a big tree."
Yeah, well, last time you guys
Last
skinny
time
shamed our
skinny
tree.
I may have gone a little overboard on the girth of this
No
tree.
body shaming our tree this year, guys. Come on. Anyway, it's gonna go right here. It'll probably take up most of this space, especially with like the presents and stuff. And then I got little like houses to go on the mantle. I have garland. We have our stockings, obviously. It's gonna be a whole vibe. So stay tuned for the Christmas decorating vlog. That's gonna be a big
Sooner
fat
than it
doozy.
probably should.
No, shut up. You don't know anything. All right, what did you have to say?
I don't know what Abbie told you about this fireplace, but it took a long time. And I know we kind of talked about how it worked when we started it, but I've gotten a lot of...
You're supposed to pick up groceries 15 minutes ago.
Oh shoot, I gotta go pick up groceries. Hold on, let me say this really quick. I got a lot of DMs saying, Juliet, how did you do that? You must be so handy and just good at everything. That is really hard to do. And you're right. Even Nicole Curtis, who, by the way, if you guys haven't seen, what's her show called? Rehab Addict. If you haven't seen Rehab Addict, it's a great TV show. Abbie and I love it. Nicole Curtis is the girl who does it. She is so cool. I love her. But she has always said that you should never paint over brick because it's almost impossible to remove paint on brick. Well, Nicole Curtis, I did it. I didn't do a very good job. But I can scrub off the like kind of grayish tint, and if you can see here in the mortar, it's a little bit grayer than it probably should be, but I can get rid of it. I have tried and it's worked so far. Okay, now I'm done rambling. I have to go get groceries. Does anyone else still do grocery pickup? We started doing it when COVID hit, and then we just kept doing it because Abbie likes it. Why do you like pickup so much? Just saves time?
Yeah, I don't have to go inside.
Yeah. The store that we are doing the pickup from is a different store than we did the pickup from at our old house, and honestly I hate the pickup system here because first of all I have to call them, which is ridiculous. I hate calling people. The other one you had an app and you just say, hey, I'm here, and that was it. Also, they only have one parking spot that you can park in if you're doing pickup. Someone just parked there. They like went inside a grocery shop and they parked there, so then I have nowhere to go. I guess I'm just gonna call them and just say to come to my car, not theirs. I don't know.
Thank you for calling.
Hey, I'm outside in the parking lot. I have a pickup order for Julia. It's actually the parking spot for pickup someone parked in. I'm just in the one right next to it.
Oh, alright. Okay, we'll get it out for you.
Okay, cool, thank you. The guy that always takes the groceries out to the car, me and him have a really fun relationship where we don't say a word to each other the entire time. And I love it. I love him. I love everything that we do together, and I hope that we continue this relationship for a long time. Love people that are consistent, you know, and that man, he's consistent. All right, here's a little POV for you all. This is the scenario. I just went to pick up groceries and I take a look at the groceries that I got here, and turns out you're in here, but I didn't order you. Okay, here we go. Huh. Sweet! Hell yeah!
We finally have groceries. Finally, I feel like we haven't had anything the past couple of days. Also, we finally ordered a new table for in the kitchen. I also got some like knobs and stuff for the kitchen so I can replace those. So I feel like the kitchen will look much better once that's done. I just need to replace the light fixtures, and I feel like it'll be semi-decent because after the whole fireplace thing, I don't want to take on any more huge projects right now. Once those little things are done, I think it'll look better. This guy's having some cartoons while we finish putting away the laundry. Or the laundry. Mom's losing her mind. The groceries.
Did you tell them what you did this morning?
What?
Did you tell them what you did this morning?
What I did?
Yeah, you tried to plug in your cereal bowl.
Oh, yeah, I don't know, I'm losing my mind. Also, going back to what Julia said about setting up for Christmas, how it's too soon, comment down below when you set up for Christmas. Do you set up once Halloween's over, or like after Thanksgiving? Normally I do it Thanksgiving night, like when I get back from Thanksgiving at like my parents' house, but I want Harbor to be able to do it with me, and he goes to bed early, so he definitely won't be able to stay up after Thanksgiving dinner to do all that. So I'm thinking maybe sooner this year.
I don't really care, by the way. I was just joking.
She's kind of being a hater. My plan is I bought us all Christmas jammies. They should be here soon, and I want to do it when those get here, so. Julia just said that she found a hair in the blueberries, so that's...
It was like in the blueberry.
Gross, like human hair?
Yeah.
Ew. Was it yours? Was it brown?
No, well, it was brown, but it wasn't mine because I opened it up and I saw it.
Gross.
It was like intertwined in the blueberry, so it was probably
Nasty.
packaged.
Ugh. Who in their right mind picked this out?
This is actually where Abbie and I butt heads sometimes. I hate pickup because of this.
Okay,
like
I
this.
can agree. They do pick out the stuff that's going bad sometimes.
Yeah.
But sometimes you get a really good person and they pick
depends
out good
who
stuff.
shops for you.
But like
You can't control
really,
that. Yeah.
come on now.
I'm not eating that.
Ugh. This ring, by the way, I don't know if it'll focus, is made of my breast milk, and I thought it was so cool. I also got a necklace. They sent me a necklace when I just ordered a ring, so that was really nice of the company. But it's called Honoring Motherhood. I don't know how they do it. I sent in my milk, and now it's in jewelry. Let's sit you down. All right. What do you think of the weather today? I'd have to agree with that. When is your birthday?
You're so smart.
He's so smart.
Who is your favorite parent?
Who do you love more, mama or mommy? Should we set him up and see who he crawls to?
Sure.
This is the ultimate test.
Oh dear.
All right, stay right there. Harbor, come here. Harbor, come here. Come here. Come here. You can't step above the line, babe. Back up.
I didn't know it was a lie.
Come to mama. Come to mama.
He just wants to go to the camera.
Come here. Into the thick of it.
Into the thick of it.
Into the thick of it. Ugh. Come here. I have applesauce. Come here.
We should do it the opposite way so the camera's also there, so he chooses between us and the camera.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Come here. Who are you gonna get? Come here. Come to mama. You know you are.
He just wants to yell. We're yelling, so he's yelling.
Well, maybe he doesn't have a favorite mom after all. Maybe we're a good team. Well, I guess he likes all of us equally. He does like the camera a little bit more than us right now, though. I think he really wants to talk.
So, as I said, I need to finish this fireplace. Abbie's in the bath right now, so Harbor's hanging out with me. I figured he can just help me. Why not, right? Are you gonna help mommy? Wow, that's rude. I can't decide if I should clean everything up and get the living room back to the way it was so it's not chaos, and then later finish this bottom, or if I should just get it over with. I am almost out of paint stripper though, so I have to wait until at least tomorrow to do it. If I am gonna do it, jeez, I should just do it. But regardless, I need to wash the brick, Harbor. I really need your moral support here, okay? So I know you're gonna wanna be quiet, but I'm gonna need you to yell nonsense at me as I'm doing it. Can you do that? That's what I thought. Harbor likes standing up and grabbing onto the sides of this thing, but then he hasn't quite figured out how to get down. Like he can, but it's usually just falling on his butt or slowly falling on his butt. So he'll probably end up crying after a little bit, but he really wants to be close to you guys, so that's why he's up here. So just take it as a compliment.
Oh, we're living in the present, but our mind is in the past.
I know. What did I tell you? Well, that didn't last very long. I'll probably wait until his nap actually to finish doing that because this boyfriend is he just loves he just wants attention. And who can blame him? Everyone wants attention. And that's okay, Harbor. Never feel bad for that. I love you. You're so sweet and cute. But anyway, that's pretty much it for today's video. I think we're gonna wrap things up here. Hopefully in the next video you'll see, you know, the finished product after I finish scraping everything off. I don't know. I don't know when I'm going to finish doing the bottom part either. Maybe that'll be in the next video. Maybe it won't. But you'll never know unless you subscribe. Say see you later. Thanks for watching. All right.
Not knowing